Mistakes are just part of the journey. Think about a baby. When a baby learns to walk, it falls down maybe 100 times. But does the baby cry and say, "No, I will never walk again"? No, of course not. The baby just laughs. Maybe cries for 2 seconds, then tries again. This is how we should be with English. Falls down, laugh, try again. Simple. Now let's get serious for a moment. If you want to speak English fast and clear, you must train your mouth. Yes, your mouth. Think of your mouth like a muscle. If you want strong arms, you go to the gym. If you want a fast mouth, you do exercises. Do you know what the best exercise is? Tongue twisters. Ha ha ha. Yes. Those funny sentences like, she sells seashells by the seashore. Try saying it slowly first, then faster, then faster. Don't worry if you sound silly. I promise you, you will sound very silly. Ha ha ha. But that is the point. The sillier the better. Because your tongue is working, your lips are moving, and your brain is dancing with the words. Oh, one time I practiced tongue twisters before a job interview. The interviewer said, "Tell me about yourself." And I almost said, "She sells seashells by the seashores." Ha ha ha. Can you imagine? But the truth is, because I practiced, my mouth was ready to move and I spoke with confidence. So, yes, do tongue twisters. They are like push ups for your mouth. Now, let me share another fun trick with you. Do you know how fast you speak? Maybe you don't know. Most people don't know, but here's a little game. Take a short story about 300 words, set a timer for 1 minute, read it aloud until the timer stops, then count how many words you spoke. This is your speaking speed. Simple. And here's the best part. You are not competing with anyone.